What? What's up? Huh? What? No, you're not coming in. No. No. I know you what you want. You want to come in here. No, 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 no. You're not allowed in here. No. I'm sorry, you're not allowed in here. Yeah, and what? What? Tell me. Why should I let you in? Damn, look at them whiskers. Got some long whiskers, buddy. Look at them things. They're like around 3 inches long almost. Oh, yeah, you're trying to show off. Yeah, huh? What? What? What are you trying to say? Huh? Yeah, I know. You're not no damn skinny cat. Look at that. Look at that tummy. You're a fat cat. Yeah. What? What's up? What's up, buddy? Huh? No. No. No, you can't come in. You know better. Huh? Door is closed. Can't come in. What? What are you doing? Good. You're all dusty now. What, you trying to get rid of all the fleas? What? What? Tell me. What? Yeah. You're on video. What? Tell me. No. Look at them whiskers. Yeah, no, you got an itch. What's up? Oh, you playing dead now? Oh, yeah, you're really showing me. Come on, get away. You need a bath, buddy. You smell. You're stinky. Yeah. Go get a dirt bath out there. What?